Stainless steel kitchenware black laser marking. Machine with Mopa black marking effect and automatic Z-axis. Z-axis automatically controls and adjusts height to accommodate markings at different levels. Mopa laser marking with frequency adjustable, single pulse energy, widely used in stainless steel product precision marking, black marking, colorful marking. This multifunctional laser system suitable for various industrial and manufacturing applications, such as metal ovens, sinks, woks, pots, pans, knives, and thermoses in the kitchenware industry with logos and text markings. If you interested in marking machine could contact us and send sample for free proofing marking test. Stainless steel soup pot blackening laser effect display.